Yeah, a very good afternoon to all the viewers and the audiences which are watching us live. So I am Nimesh Kumar, and I welcome you in the live telecast of our product demo. Our product name is Nirvanameet, which is actually a video conferencing solution. So on the behalf of Niladvantage Technologies Pvt Ltd, a very warm welcome to all those people who are watching us live, and all those who will watch us later in the recording. So we will start with a small intro of our company. So intro, please. So first of all, let me introduce to our panel of presenters today. We have Mr. Niladi Das, our founder and director,
Hi everyone.
and we also have Mr. Ashish and Vishal from our product development team.
Hello everyone.
So first of all, we will start with a short intro of our company in the slide forms. So please show a slide. So basically, our company, Neil Advantage Technologies Private Limited, is a Bangalore-based startup company which deals in the IT solutions and system integration field. So next slide, please. So these are our key services. Like we have a deep presence in the field of cybersecurity. We also provide IT infrastructure for the companies, like in the form of hardwares, like you have desktop, laptops, printers, and other than that, we also provide software services. Apart from that, we also help companies to boost their digital marketing initiative with the help of our peoples, and we also help them to recruit people's new recruitment by the help of our recruitment drives. And we have also end-to-end integration where we set up your full network, or we also help you to set up your local networks with the help of devices like routers, switches, and something like that. So next slide, please. So these are our areas of expertise. So I would like to ask Niladi sir to please elaborate about this.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nimesh. Hi audiences, hi folks. Though we have gathered here today, this particular live session is mostly to introduce one of the key products, which is Nirvanameet, which is a video conferencing solution. But we will talk about that little later. First, we will talk a little bit about the expertise area of expertise what Niladvantage Technologies has altogether. As Nimesh has already said that we are mostly into the digital marketing. We provide IT infrastructure products and services to startup, mid-size as well as large enterprises. So mostly when I talk about the IT infrastructure, it consists of so many various factors, various things. It might be an endpoint, it might be a networking device, it might be a telepresence, or it might be an asset management solution. Irrespective of the kind of products and services, we help our customers to basically find all the products at one stop shop. That is us as a system integrator. We help the IT managers, the procurement managers, the decision makers of a company to find out their business solutions in the form of products and services from various companies. And for the same, we have partnerships, as you can see on your screen. We have partnerships with various such companies, like specifically for data center, we are a partner for Dell, we are partner for NetApp, we are partner for HP. So we provide servers, storages, backup, and all those solutions from them, as and when it is required for our client, for our customers. and we also help them finding out all the networking and cybersecurity products, irrespective whether it is a small setup or it is a big setup, if it is a Wi-Fi setup or it is a remote setup. We help our clients find out the solution from various vendors. We help them do the demo, we help them doing the POC, we make them understand the solution, which are there are so many partners which we have done in the due process of time. And all the partner company, we really thankful for all the companies, all the partner companies who have given us an opportunity to be a part of their extended arm, as an extended community wherein we can support not only selling those products but also adding value with selling those products by giving a solution to our customer. So mostly that is all it is all about. I would not take much of your time. If you can move on to the next slide, please. So these are the partners which we have done in the recent past, in the span of close to around 2.5 years, 3 years now. And if you can see, most of the partnerships which we have done in and around data center and cybersecurity. And we thank all our channel, all the partners, all OEM community to give us a chance to be a part of their partners. And we assure that we will definitely look forward to work with you in future as well. Though this particular product is a product which we have started long back, I would like to talk a little bit about that. So we have we did this particular product as a Digital India initiative. So we would talk about that little later. So mostly about the associations what we have, the kind of product range what we have. We would like to work with you as if you are an audience and if you are watching this video and you have any requirement from these companies, you are most welcome to communicate and to us in the form of email or in the form of calling us, or you can also visit our website. Next slide, please. Over to you, Nimesh. So yeah, mostly see Nirvanameet, as I was talking. So Nirvanameet is a product where we have started this product under Digital India initiative, wherein there was a pandemic which we all went through. I'm sure everybody would have seen some kind of impact which has happened to our near and dear ones. During that time, we were told, we participated in one of the Digital India initiative wherein we created, we helped developing this particular product. And now this product is done, it is completed, and the product is very very much secured. I'm sure after my talk, I think the product guys, they will be talking in detail about the product. They will be also showing you the in detail about the functionalities of this product. I think I would stop with that, Nimesh.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable thoughts. So, as I said earlier, we are here for our product demo. So, we are considering it as a future of communication because we have added so many features and other security features that it can compete with any international or national brand. So, next slide, please. So, our main goal was to provide India with a made in India and a secure video conferencing solution. So, we did it, and we are very much satisfied with the performance. So we think that you will also feel it better than others. So there are some security features. So I would like to request Ashish to explain much about that.
Thank you, Nimesh. So talking about the few features which are mentioned here, so definitely when we started developing the product, security was the key where we worked a lot. So we wanted our communication, whatever communication we are doing in our application, we wanted it to be secure. So we have used secure servers, secure database, everything is situated in India only. And even we have very very unique features in our solution. We have features like lower bandwidth mode, we have local recording facility, we have YouTube sharing option, and there are millions of features which we have. Now talking about the easy to use, so we have created our user interface in such a way so there will be no issue. So you can easily come to our website. The things are easily self-explanatory, so you can definitely find it user friendly. Even as I mentioned, we have a functionality of lower bandwidth, so according to your network you can adjust your performance of the meeting so that it will not reflect that much in the meeting. So as I mentioned, our servers, our database, our application, all are situated in India only. So in Mumbai, so we have used secured servers for the communication purpose. We have used three authentication services in our application: email, password authentication. We have used Google authentication, and we have used phone authentication. So you can come to our website and use any of these authentication to authenticate yourself. That you will be able to use our services. We have partnered with cash free for the payment gateway. So in this you will be getting all the features, like you can pay with the help of your card, credit card, debit card. There are all UPI options available, wallet options available. Even you can use net banking. So it is one of the most growing payment gateway in India, and is also one of the most securest also. So that's all for the presentation. Now I will take you to the live demo of the our product. This is our homepage of the website. To get access of this website, you just have to go to and type google.nirvanameet.com, and you will be redirected to this page. So our application is already available on Google Play Store. So if you are using your mobile phone, then you can download this app from the Google Play Store, and you can enjoy the meeting and the VC from your mobile also. So definitely you can check it out. Our Android application is under development, and it will be soon available on Apple App Store as well. The company information are mentioned in the footer. You can, if you have any query, you can contact us through email, or even you can call us. And if you want to get connected over any social media handle, so our social media handles are also mentioned here, like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter. So you can definitely connect us there. If you have any other query, you can also go to our support tab, and here you can fill your information and submit your query. Our team will get back to you as soon as possible. So even the features which we will be offering are mentioned in the features area. Even if you want to know anything about the company, you can go to the about us section. Here all the informations you will find. So coming back to home page, and so initially, like when you will come in our application, you have to sign in. So as you are new, so you will sign up. And for sign up, we have three options. You can sign up with the help of email and password. You can sign in with the help of Google, and even you can sign up with the help of phone. So these three options we have. So I will just quickly sign in, as I have already an account. So I'll quickly do that. Okay. So it will take some time, and you will be signed in. So you can see I am signed in now. So I will quickly demonstrate how to create a meeting. So when you will click on create meeting, a default code will be generated, and which with a system generated code will be given, and you can just enter your name, and that's it. And after that, uh, you can see the room code. You are the organizer of this meeting. Your mail, the joining link, and the app link is mentioned here. So you can just copy it and share it across over any messaging platform like WhatsApp or anything. And even you can share it directly. You can click on share button, a default mail will open, and you can send to your clients, to your partners, or whoever you want to invite. You can send them. So I'll quickly join the meeting. So you just have to click on join meeting, and you will be redirected to our meeting page. Yeah. So here are all the features are mentioned here. So I'll quickly showcase that. So these are the certain options, all the options which are available. I will come back to you and I will explain each of the features in detail. So I just wanted to demonstrate how to create a meeting. So there is a simple step. You just have to sign up. You will get 3 trials for free. So you can click on create meeting button. A default system generated code will be given to you. You can simply put your name, all the information will be shown to you, and you can join the meeting, and part whoever you have sent the code, they will be able to join. So this is a simple flow how to create a meeting. I'll simply cut that. After a few minutes it will redirect us back to our home page. Yes, so we are back to our home page. The similar In a similar way you can join a meeting. You just have to enter the code. You might have got the code from any of your colleagues or all. So you can just have to enter a code. You just have to enter your name, and you can click on join meeting button, and you will be able to join. As this is an invalid code, so it is saying an invalid code. So if you will enter a valid code, you will be able to join. So you don't have to sign in or sign up for joining the meeting. You can directly come to our website, click on join, and by entering it and enter the name, and you can join the meeting. For creating the meeting, you have to create an account. After that, after 3 trials, you can go to our pricing section, and here all the plans information will be there, and this will be, and Vishal will explain all the pricing to you a little bit later. So yeah, that's all. This is the way how you can join and create a meeting. In the similar way, in the mobile application as well, you can create and join the meeting. Similar, and there are all the things which are mentioned there clearly. The user interface is very simple, so that will be not an issue. You can simply go and create and join a meeting from your mobile application as well. So here are all the features which we will be having in our VC solution. So I will quickly explain all the features to you in the live meeting itself. So you can see that I am in the meeting with all my colleagues. So quickly I will go through each of the features, and I will explain how to use it and how you can access that feature. So the first feature states we have multiple sharing option. So when you just click on this screen sharing tab, so a pop-up will appear. Here you have three kind of options. Like you can share the entire screen, you can share a window, or even you can share a Chrome tab. So if whatever browser you are using, you can share the tab also. So even there's an option that you can see that you can share a tab audio. Even when you share the entire screen, you can also share the audio also. So whatever in the background, whatever in the tab you are playing, you can directly share that, and all the participants can hear it out clearly. Okay, so coming to the next feature, like we have says that more than 40 language support. Yeah, we have more than 40 languages option. So to use that, you have to just go to the settings tab. Here in the more section, you can see that in the language there are around 40 languages, including some Indian languages like Telugu, Malayalam, Marathi. So these are the languages have. Even Hindi is there. So just I will quickly change my language to Hindi, and okay. So now you can see the settings option has been changed to Hindi. So this is a really good feature. So you can change your language according to your need. So I will just quickly go to with Marathi once. Okay, so you can see the options have been changed to Marathi. Okay, I will quickly come back to English. Yes. So yeah, definitely language support. So this is a good option. Now the third option, it states like here we get an option of adjustable bandwidth. So I will like Nimesh to speak a little bit about this.
Yeah, thank you, Ashish. I think this feature is a very great feature because adjustable bandwidth is very beneficial in the rural areas like in villages, or while you are traveling to somewhere, or you are in a remote area. So this feature will be helpful there because according to your network strength, you can adjust your bandwidth, and thus it will be a great feature. So I think we should go with it.
Definitely. Adjustable bandwidth is a great feature we have. Like if you are traveling or if you have not that much great network in your area, so you can go to the performance settings. Here, like you can see, we have a best performance and the highest quality. So you can go to the you can go to the lowest option and you can see all the video of the participants has been disabled. So you can use this feature according to your network, so that your meeting experience, whatever content is being shared on the meeting, it will not reflect that much. So this is a really good feature. You can adjust your stuffs according to the need, according to your network. Okay, coming to the fourth feature, it says like we have a YouTube video sharing. So I will like Vishal to talk about this. Vishal, you are mute.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah, please proceed.
Yeah, thank you, Assis. Yeah, in Nirvanameet, you can directly share video with the YouTube link. You just have to copy the link and paste in the shared video tab.
Yes, that
Right
is
there.
true. That like we don't have to think anything about. You just have to come to the share video tab. You just have to paste the YouTube link here, and after that, your video will be shared quickly. So it is a really good feature. You don't have to think like previously what we used to do. Like we used to play a YouTube video in a particular tab and used to share that tab, so that in that way that the YouTube audio, the video quality, everything was not up to the mark. So this feature is a really good feature. You can directly share a YouTube video. You can just copy the link of the YouTube video and paste here, and you will be good to go. I will quickly showcase that. So I will just copy the YouTube video link and I will share that. You can see that the video is started playing. So you can see that there is an option to adjust the quality also. So definitely this is a great feature because the audio, the video quality will be really clear. I will quickly stop the video sharing. Okay, coming to the fifth feature, it says a local recording facility. So I will request Rohit to talk about it. Yeah, Rohit, I will like you to talk about the local recording feature. Please proceed. You are muted, Rohit.
I'm audible.
Yeah, please proceed.
Yeah, thank you, Assis. Yes, we have recording feature which saves the audio or video, synchronize video and audio locally in computer. Here we provide 100 minutes of recording, non-stop recording to the customer, or no cloud storage needed, or no else extra amount is needed for cloud storage. And secondly, the lag issue or asynchronization in video and audio would not be appear or not be seen to the user. It would deliver a smooth experience to the user and at high workload also.
Okay, yeah, definitely we have a great feature of local recording. So you don't have to think about the cloud storage. You don't have to pay any amount, any penny in the cloud storage. What will happen, like if you will start the recording, after you stop the recording will be automatically downloaded in your local machine. So this is a great feature. I will quickly showcase that to you. So when you go to the start recording button here, like you can see we have that option. So you just have to select your particular tab and you are good to go. So even the top tab audio will be recorded. So I will quickly demonstrate that to you. So when I will stop the recording, you can see the video has been downloaded in my computer. So I'll quickly play that. So even the top, quickly demonstrate that to you. So yeah, you can see the audio was clear. So this is a really good feature. Even the video quality will be really good. So I have stopped the recording. Can anybody go to the next slide, please? Yes. So the next feature, it says that audio sharing. Yeah, we have an audio sharing option. Like sometimes happens like you won't want to share the video. You just want to share the audio. You are playing a particular audio in the tab So you just want to share the audio, you don't want to share the whole tab. So that is a really good option. When you will click on share audio button, here you will see that you can select a particular audio tab and click on share audio. After that, your audio will be audible to all the participants, so you don't have to share the whole tab itself. So this is a really good feature. Even the short demonstration of that you can see here. Okay, coming to the next feature, noise suppression. So this is a really good feature. So you can see I have already enabled noise suppression. So if there are some background noises coming in your area, so you can enable this feature. This will help you to in noise suppression up to some extent. So this is a really good feature. Like if you are facing any background noises, there is construction going in your area, so this is a really good feature. You can just enable the noise suppression and it will definitely help you. The next feature, it says that we have an option of customizable background. So that is a really good feature. I will quickly showcase that to you. When I will click on select background, I have already added a background. So there are multiple options you have, so you can quickly select any of those. And when even there is a great feature of desktop share. So like you want to share the whole desktop in as a your video, so you can do that. So I will quickly go and select this tab so that you can see. So you will be able to see that my whole Chrome tab is now working as a video. So whatever I will do in the Chrome tab, that will be visible to all the users as a video itself. So this is a really good feature. Like if you're taking an interview, so you can ask them to share your tab as a video. You can see what that person is doing. So in that way the flow of the interview will be really great, so you will be know what he is doing. So this is a good feature we have. I will quickly come back to my original background. Yes. Okay, the next option, we have the multiple security options. That is true that we have a multiple security options. So like when we go to the security options, you can see that we have all three options here. Enable lobby. So when you will enable this, what will happen is, like when somebody tries to join your meeting, you will get a pop-up like this person wants to join the meeting. Either you want to admit that person or you can also reject that. So this is the great feature. Like anybody now, they can directly join in a meeting if they have the room code. So if you don't want that, so you can simply enable the lobby mode. So in that way, whoever wants to join your meeting, you will get a pop-up. So even like that is, if you feel that is not secure enough, there is also another option, like you want to add a password. So that you can also add that. So you can just have to go to the password tab and you just have to enter whatever password you are comfortable with. And when you will add that, so if somebody tries to join the recording, they will be asked like to enter the password. If they don't have the valid password, they will not be allowed to join the meeting. Even we have a end-to-end encryption option. So like you want to make your meeting more secure, what do you want to do?
End-to-end encryption
so you just
is
have
on.
to enable the end-to-end encryption mode. In that way, your meeting will be more secure. So this is a really good feature. Now there is an option of speaker stats facility. So what is this about? So when you will go here, there is a speaker stats option. What it does, like when I will go there, you can see as I have spoken the most, you can see it is showing that I have spoken for 13 minutes 53 seconds. Vishal has spoken for 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Nimesh has spoken for 3 minutes and 40 seconds. So it shows like how much people were active, how much time they were there in the meeting. So you can with this feature you can know that who has been more active in the meeting. So this is a really good feature. So now coming to the next feature, it says that we have more than 20 shortcuts. So for accessing this, like there is an option of view shortcuts. So when you will click this, you can see that there are multiple shortcut options like show or hide video thumbnails. You can click F and that will you will be able to use that. There are multiple options. You can toggle camera, or switch off your camera, switch on your audio in a just single button. So definitely you can come here and see how it works. So like there's like it says that send a clap reaction. I will quickly click on Alt plus C and you can see a clap reaction has been sent to all the users. So we have also a sound facility, like if you are sending a reaction, what will happen is like you can quickly click on that and a short audio will be sent to all the users. Even as a host, if you want to disable this audio, you can do that. I will showcase that to you a little bit later. So even we have a lower hand raise hand facility. I will request anybody of my partners to just raise your hand, so it will be really helpful. Yeah, so you can see Rohit, Vishal, Nimesh has raised their hand. So now you can lower your hand, guys. So the next feature, adjust screen sharing frame rate. What is this all about? So you just have to go to the settings option. Here what you will see in the more tab, you will see that there is a desktop sharing frame rate option. What is this all about? Like when you try to share your screen, suppose you're sharing a video, so you want that to be visible, synchronized with audio clearly. What you have to do, you have to go to the 30 frame rates option. It will definitely consume your more internet, requires more internet bandwidth, but still this is an option. Like if you want to switch to more frame rates, you can do that. By default it is 5 frame rates per second, but if you want to use this feature is already there in our solution, so you can use that. Now the second option, like make your screen as a background. I think I have showcased that to you. So like you can go that I have shown that you can quickly make your screen, so whatever you want to share your entire screen as a background, so you can do that. I have shown that to you, so this is a great feature as well. Now there's an option of participants bandwidth information. What is this all about? So I'll quickly showcase that to you. So like Vishal, so when you will hover over Vishal, so here you can see the network option. So what is saying that the connection of Vishal is saying good. The bit rate is showing that 277 kbps with the packet loss, and all other information are shown here. So you can quickly as a host, you can see who has a bad network. You can tell them, okay, your network is not good, can you come to that place where your network is a little bit good. So you can quickly, if you have facing any issue with any of the participants, that will be visible to you quickly. So there are other options as well. So at a 15th point it states like participation controlling option. What is this about? Like suppose I want to send a private message to Vishal, so I will quickly do that. So you can see that I have sent a private message to Vishal. So this will be only visible to Vishal. Even like suppose like the audio video of all the participants is clear to you, but maybe there are some background noises from Vishal's side, or there is some, like Vishal is speaking a little bit loudly, which is not, you are not comfortable with that. So you can simply reduce the sound only for Vishal. You can just do that. Here is an option to do that. So the only Vishal's voice will be reduced for a bit. All other participants' voice will be at the same ratio, same rate, whatever was before. Now even like I want to kick out Vishal, I can do that. I can quickly kick out Vishal in this meeting. So I can do that. If I want to disable Vishal's camera for everybody else, so I will just quickly do that, and you can see that Vishal video is enabled and all other participants video has been disabled. I will request everyone to switch on your video, please. Yeah, so that was a really good option here. And if I want to stop only Vishal's video, I can do that. So I will click on stop video. So you can see that the only Vishal's video has been disabled. Vishal, I will request you to quickly on your video. Even like there is a similar option, like you want to only hear out Vishal's voice, you don't want to hear out other participants, you can click on mute everyone else. So everyone in the meeting will be muted, only you will be audible to Vishal. I mean everybody in the meeting will be audible to Vishal. Even you can mute Vishal itself, like you can click on ask to mute, so you can do that. That is a good option here. Like I will quickly showcase some more features which we have. So like I have showcased all these features, and some of the more features, like definitely you can switch to full screen mode. There is a toggle option here, so you can toggle that quickly. Even if you want to see any participant in a bigger frame, so you just have to like I want to see Nimesh, I'll click on Nimesh. You can see Nimesh is visible to me clearly. So this is the good feature we have. So I will quickly come back to the toggle mode, and so I will quickly showcase some more features in the settings tab. Definitely, like you can select your microphone, select your camera. So suppose like your microphone is not working, so you can quickly check, like you can switch to other microphone options, and that is a really good feature. So suppose if there is any kind of issue you are facing with the microphone, so you can quickly switch and that will work. Even the same thing with audio, video also. So you can switch your video options. There are a couple of options. Whatever options you will be having for the video in your computer, that will be visible to you. Even the default audio output is there. You can select sound test also. This is also a good feature. In the profile tab, you can change your name, you can change your email as well. As a moderator, you have multiple options, like every like suppose anyone tries to join your meeting, you want everyone starts muted. You don't want to get interrupted if somebody is sharing any screen ppt or something, showcasing something. You want like everybody, a new person, new joinee to be muted. So you can click on that, so everybody will start muted, everybody will start hidden. You don't want to like when somebody joins, there's a pop-up come like this person has joined the meeting. So you can click on this, and what will happen, like the notification will not be shown to all the participant. Even everyone follows you, you can use that as well. Mute reaction sounds for everyone. So reaction I have shown you, so you want that reaction sound to be disabled, so you can do that. As in the sounds option, there are multiple sounds option we have, like we have meeting reaction, incoming messages option. I will request anybody to send any message, so I'll quickly showcase that how it comes. So you can disable that incoming message option as well. Participants joined option, you can disable that sound. Participant lefting option, you can see hi Vishal Hasan, Rohit Hasan, hi. There is a incoming message sound, so you can disable that as well. Participant left option, if somebody tries to leave the meeting, you will get a different sound. So we have different sounds for each of the operations which are mentioned here, so you can disable that too. In the more tab, you want that chat notifications. You were saying that if Vishal has sent message, Rohit has sent message, you want to disable that chat messages notifications, you can do that. Keyboard shortcuts, you don't want anybody to use keyboard shortcuts, you can disable that as a host. These options are only available to the host. So self view, like you can do that. Even these options as will be these options will be visible to you. So if you want, like you don't want to see, or you don't want to see the chat notifications, you can do as well for yourself. So these options will be for you as well. So in the like you want to hide your self view, like suppose you can see I am visible to all the participants, even for me. So if I want, look, I should not be visible to me itself, like I want to hide my self view, I will click on that. What will happen, you can see that my self view is not visible to all the participants. So this is a really good feature. So some of you might be wondering how to host a webinar and what are the features you will be getting in a kind of webinar. So I have showcased that, like when you host a kind of webinar, you will be getting a lot of features. And suppose you hosted a webinar, there are 100 people who joined the webinar, and if somebody is creating an innovation, so definitely you have the user controls. I have already demonstrated that to you. You can pick out anyone, and even like somebody like you want somebody's presenting someone something, and you want like anybody who's joined, and they should be joining in a muted way. So there is an option in the moderator. These options I have already shown you, so you can also do that. You just click, everyone starts muted, everyone starts hidden, and whenever somebody joins, the notifications will be not shown to other participants. So this is a really good feature. So definitely it distracts you, whatever is showing in the presentation, it distracts in some way. So you can disable that also as a host. So what else features, what are the else features we have? So even like there is a chat option, definitely, so you can send messages to you to other participants. So like this is open to everybody. Whatever I am sending, this is all the participants can see this. Even I want to send a private message, so I can do that. Like Nimesh had sent a private message to me, so this will be only visible to me. So you can also send a private messages to all the participants. Even we have a poll option. So this is a really good feature. Like suppose you are hosting a kind of webinar and you want to check whether your attendees or whatever viewers, whatever participants you have in the meeting, they are attentive or not. If you want to get some input from them, so this is a cool feature. We have, like, you can create a poll. So I will quickly create a poll once more. How, like, which feature of Nirvanameet you like the most? Okay, and in the option I will give, like, local. You just have to add options. What like, it depends on you how many options you want to have. So I will just quickly write something like local recording and video sharing. Maybe I will try to add one more option, like lower bandwidth mode. Okay, so yeah, so in this way you can remove this option. If you click on this and that option will be removed. I will quickly send this poll. So yeah, this notification will be shown to all the participants that you have created a poll. I will quickly request all the participants to give their vote. So I will also give my vote. Definitely my local recording is one of the best favorite features, so I will do that. So yeah, even somebody has voted. Nimesh has voted for the lower bandwidth mode. So in that way you can check whether how much your participants are attentive, and what is the participants view. If you are discussing something, if you want some suggestions from your client, that or whatever features you have, what is best for them, what they like, their perspective. So you can create a poll and quickly you will get the results. So this is a good feature. So definitely you can try it out. So these are the features you get while creating a webinar. So definitely you get a couple of good features while hosting a webinar. So you can do that as well. Yeah, so
Yeah,
that's
thank you.
that's all from my side. Now, Nimesh, you can continue.
Yeah, thank you, Assis. It was such an informative presentation. So now I would like to ask Mr. Vishal to explain us about the pricing features of our product.
Thank you, Nimesh. Hi all, my name is Vishal Kumar Sukla. Here I am going to tell you about plans and pricings of Nirvanameet, and then we will give you a short demo. How can you visit and purchase your subscription according to the need? So please play a demo. I hope we like the product demo and whatever features we are offering. Request each and every to register yourself in our website have demo, and after that, when you feel this solution is appropriate for you, then you can take our subscription according to your need. As of now, we have 3 plans. Definitely on sign up you will be given 3 tiles for free. After the free tiles gets ended, we will be redirected to our pricing page. Here the starter is starting at rupees 3,999, which will be offered for 90 days. You can have around 100 users in a meeting, you can do local recording, and all the other features will be offered to you. You can go also with our growth plan, which will be offered at rupees 6,999, which will be valid for 180 days. Or you can go with our enterprise plans, which will be offered at rupees 12,999, which will be valid for 360 days. Our team is constantly working and adding new features based on user feedback. All other features will be given without any extra charge. So, how how to purchase a plan? First, you need to select a plan, fill all the informations, go to next. Here the price overview, how to choose, what is the choose of plans, what is the price, and here the policies of our company. Here the card button, card here, your selected plan validity, what is the validity of plans, and what is the total amount. And here the click the pricing policy and terms and conditions of our company. And here the Caspi. Caspi is the partners of our company. Go with Caspi. And here to the use the card, wallet, banking. So many options will go to the payment. Okay. so I cannot not complete the payment. I already payment. Yeah. Yeah, Nimesh, continue.
Thank you, Vishal. So I think it's clear, and you can easily buy our product from our homepage. And now we will have a query section where you can ask your questions through the comment box. So you can comment in the our comment sections. So we will clear your queries. So is there any question?
Yeah, so if any of the viewers have any question, feel free to ask. We will definitely love to answer that. And even you can come back to us, and you can send a mail to us. You can also go to Near Advantage page. You can contact us from there also. Even from Nirvana Meet page, you can contact us. And I will request each and everyone, please visit our platform www.nirvanameet.com, or you can download our application via Play Store also. So definitely try our product, sign up, and you will definitely get 3 trials for free. Use all the features, and after that please share your feedback. And if you will be comfortable with that, feel free to take our plans and use those features. Anything else, Niladri sir, you want to add?
No, I think that's all. We would look forward. Thank you, audience, for watching us live today, or who those audiences, whoever are watching us of the recording later on. Please feel free to visit our website, that is niladvantage.com, or you can directly go to the application or directly go to the website of this video conferencing, that is www.nirvanameet.com. You can as an audience, as an user, you can use your credentials, and you can use it for free. You can please try it out, please see, test the product, and we would always welcome your feedback. We would also look forward for the people who want to go for paid subscription. We as we have already mentioned that we have integrated our website to the payment gateways. So as and when you get you buy the product of 3 months or 6 months or 1 year licenses, your licenses will be activated, and the invoices will be generated and sent to your email IDs, or the registered IDs which you have provided during the KYC section. If it is a business entity who is looking forward to buy or procure multiple licenses, we can also do that. What you can do, you can put a mail to info@niladvantage.com, and mention the number of quantities. We can definitely work out on a bulk license requirement for your organization. We can definitely help you out in that. With that, I think I am done. Ashish and Nimish.
Thank you sir.
So I think we should stop this telecast, and I would like to thank all the viewers who have spent their precious time with us, and I will be very happy to thank them. So I think we should stop now.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you all.